Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video I'm going to show you how I made pure carrot juice without any water, and this tasted so delicious. I will be using these few carrots. So the first thing I'll do is to peel off the skin and wash it thoroughly. This is after peeling and washing off the carrot thoroughly, and then I'll slice it into maybe two slices, three slices. I'll just slice it into two like this. After slicing them, I'll then add into my juicer and juice them. And I'll continue doing this until I've juiced all the carrots.